Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Asus laptop sound appears not to be working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing here would be to make sure that your speakers are turned on. So if you have a power button for your speakers, make sure it's turned on, as well as checking down the system tray here, making sure your speakers are turned up. So again, check for those two things first. Something else we can try, we're going to do a couple other things here as well, would be to open up the start menu and type in Device Manager. Best result, should go back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the audio inputs and output section, and then right click on the speakers and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and if there is anything else in here, go ahead and select it, like other options to actually update it. Otherwise, you could also search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can close it here. Something else you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. Select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and then select run the troubleshooter. And then I'd recommend following along with whatever options or suggestions it offers. And then once that's done, you can just click on close here or next. And then close it here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.